Can you guess what I have here? You can't imagine. I thought that I'm a very poor gardener, but look what I have here. That is sorrel. A big plantation of sorrel. And that means that I'm going to cook sorrel soup. I will show you the recipe, a very simple recipe of a very delicious soup. All the Russians cook this soup in spring. A very popular soup in Russia. And very simple to cook. Poor boy. He does not know what to do. He is watching the butterfly. There is a white butterfly. I don't know whether you see this butterfly or not, but Sheffield sees. You missed the butterfly, yeah? Yeah. Poor hunter. So, let's cut some sorrel and let's go home to cook some soup. Come on. So, what do we need to cook sorrel soup? Of course, we need vegetables. I will take 4 potatoes, 2 small carrots and 1 big onion. Of course, you need sorrel and some spices. I will take salt and black pepper. I will cook with ghee, that is boiled filtered butter, but you may take any vegetable oil. At the end, we shall add boiled eggs and some sour cream. So, let's start. First of all, I boil 8 cups of water. Then I prepare vegetables. I cut potatoes into small pieces and put potatoes into the boiling water. Then I prepare carrot and onion. I fry vegetables in butter until golden brown and add carrot and onion into the boiling water where we have potatoes. In about 10 minutes our vegetables are already soft and I add sorrel. In about 2 or 3 minutes our soup is ready. We add some salt, some pepper, and I also add 2 pieces of sugar. I boil eggs. Before serving, I add egg and sour cream. As you may see, the recipe is very simple. 20 minutes and your soup is ready. That is a very simple recipe of spring Russian sorrel soup. Many Russians in spring cook this soup. I hope you also will try to cook this soup. I really like it. It is very tasty and I advise you to cook it. You will love it. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. See you in the next video.